Hello students, welcome to class 6th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us start practice set 30 on textbook page number 64. Shabana scored 736 marks out of 800 in her exams. What was the percentage she scored? You have to find the percentage how much she scored. Okay, you have to write the statement. First I teach you the first method and then I teach you second method only in first sum. Okay, look at first method. You have to write the statement. Shabana scored marks in her exams is equal to 736 out of 800. Then percentage of the marks that Shabana scored is 736 upon 800 multiplied by 100. This 0 get cancelled. Okay, this 0 and this 0 get cancelled, and then it becomes 736 upon 8. Then you divide 736 upon 8, answer is getting 92%. Look at here, right side picture, which I have divided 736 by 8. Okay, 8 nines are 72, 73 minus 72 is coming 1. Okay, then 6 you have to bring it down. 8 twos are 16. So quotient is coming 92%. Okay. Now I'll do the second method. Statement you have to write same. Okay. Starting. Shabana scored marks in her exams is 736 upon 800. Then second statement is different. Let x be the percentage of the marks that Shabana scored. X be the percentage means x percent you have to take. X percent means x upon 100. Okay. Then your equation will be x upon 100 is equal to 736 out of 800. Left side here, whatever you have taken here percentage, when you have to remove here, and when you are finding the second method, take it as x if you are finding any percentage. Okay, and on left side you have to write numerator and denominator over here. Okay, and then on right side you have to write here how much marks she scored, that is 736 out of 800, and then x upon 100 into 100 is equal to 736 upon 800 multiplied by 100. Multiply 100 on both the sides. We have already studied this in equation, how to do. Okay, which method you feel easy, you can do that. You can use any method. 0 0 you can cut here, this 0 and this 0 cut here, so 100 get cancelled here both. Okay, and here 2 0 get cancelled, this 0 and this 0. Okay, so it become 736 upon 8. X is equal to 736 upon 8. Answer is getting x is equal to 92%. Okay, division which I have done here, same it is, which I taught in first method. So look at the picture again. We will do next sum. There are 500 students in the school in Dahianda village. If 350 of them can swim, what percent of them can swim and what percent cannot? Okay, let us begin the statement. Number of students in the school in Dayanda village is 500. Okay. Here, how many percent of students can swim here? You have to find the percentage afterwards. So second statement will be number of students can swim is equal to 350 upon 500. Out of 500, 350 of them can swim, and remaining students out of 500 cannot swim. That you can subtract, or you can do other method. 500 minus 350 will get answer 150. Then the remaining student of it cannot swim. Okay. Now we'll calculate the percentage. Percentage of the students can swim is equal to 350 upon 500 into 100 is equal to 350 upon 5. How you get here 350 upon 5 here? When you cancel these two zeros here, okay, when you cancel these two zeros, it becomes 350 upon 5. Here, out of 500 students, 350 students can swim. So you have to calculate the percentage of the student can swim. That is 350 upon 500 into 100. You have to calculate the percentage like this. In first method, how I taught. Then 0, 0 you have to cancel here, two zeros. Then 350 upon 5 you will get. So then afterwards, 350 upon 5 when you divide, 70% is coming. Now percentage of the student cannot swim also you can do. From 100 number you have to subtract. How many percent of the student cannot swim? You have to subtract it from 100. 100 minus 70 getting 30%. Okay. Look at the picture here. I have divided 350 by 5. Quotient is coming 70. And 100 minus 70 I have subtracted. After finding percentage of the student, here you are getting 70%. No, here. Then percentage of the student cannot swim. From 100 number you have to subtract 100 minus 70 you have to do it here. Okay. Now I will do next sum. If Prakash sold jawar on 75% of the 19,500 square meter of his land, on how many square meter did he actually plant jawar? First we will write the statement. Okay. Prakash sold jawar of his land is 75% of 19,500. So this is given. So starting statement you have to write like this. And then how many square meter did he actually plant jawar? So you have to write second statement. Prakash planted square meter of jawar, and then you have to find the value. 75% of 19,500 means 75 upon 100 into 19,500. Okay. You don't have to find the percentage here. You have to find the value. 75% means 75 upon 100. 75% of 19,500 is given. So it becomes 75 upon 100 into 19,500. If off is given here, in place of off you have to take multiplication. 75% means 75 upon 100. Okay, and 19,500 you can write it that only place. And in place of off, take multiplication sign, and then you have to calculate. You have to find the value. So 0, 0 you have to cut here. This to 0 and this to 0. Okay. Now you have to multiply 75 into 195. Answer is getting 14,625 square meter. Look at the picture here. Here I have multiplied 195 into 75. Got it? Next one. Soam received 40 messages on his birthday. Of this, 90% were birthday greetings. How many other messages did he get beside the greetings? Means you have to find how many messages were left beside the greetings. How many other messages did he get besides the greetings means how many messages were left besides the greetings. Means last you have to subtract it. First you will begin the statement. I will write number of messages that Soam received on his birthday is equal to 40. Okay, percentage of birthday greetings is 90% is given, and you have to calculate now 90% of 40. 90% of 40 means 90 upon 100 into 40. In place of half, take multiplication and then calculate it. 0 0 get cancel, this 0 get cancel. Okay, 9 into 4 will come, remain here after cancelling all the zeros. 9 into 4 is equal to 36. Okay, then finally you have to write number of birthday greetings is 36, that you have to write, and then other messages that Soam got besides the greetings is 40. From 40 number you have to subtract 40 minus 36. Now here after multiply 9 into 4, answer is coming 36. Okay, from 40 messages you have to subtract 40 minus 36. Then you will get other messages that was left beside the greetings. That is 40 minus 36 is answer is 4. Subtraction, do it carefully. Next, of the 5,675 people in a village, 5,448 are literate. What is the percentage of literacy in the village? Okay, of the means out of 5,675 people in village, out of how many, out of 5,675 people in village, how many are literate here? 5,448. Okay, so write the statement now. Literate people in village is equal to 5,448 upon 5,675. So this is the statement. You have to find percentage of literacy in the village. How to calculate the percentage in first sum I have taught, in first method also you can do. Percentage of literacy in the village is equal to 5,448 upon 5,675 into 100. This you have to write if you want to calculate the percentage. 5,448 into 100 is getting 5,44,800 upon 5,675. Okay, now you have to divide 5,44,800 upon 5,675 here. Answer is getting 96%. Look at the picture here. I have done here table. 5,675 table I have done. Okay, 5,675 table. Look it carefully, all the students. 5,44,800 by 5,675. Okay, which is last small coming in division you have to do. 5,675. Here you can see 9s are will come because 5,675 tens is getting greater. 1 minute, I'll show you properly. Look here in this 5,675 into 9. This is last small coming because 5,675 into 10 is coming greater. So 9s are 51,075, and then you have to subtract. Then answer is coming here after subtracting 3,405, and last 0 you have to bring it down. So it becomes 34,050. Then 5,675, 6 are will go 34,050. So answer is getting 96%. Quotient what it is getting, you have to see that here. Now we'll do the last sum. In the elections, 1080 of the 1200, 1080 of means 1080 out of 1200. Okay, in the elections, 1080 of the 1200 women in Jambulgaon cast their vote, while 1360 of the 1700 in Vadgaon cast theirs. In which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes? Okay, so let us write the statement. Women in Jambulgaon village cast their vote in elections is equal to 1080 out of 1200. Then percentage you will find. Starting statement will be here. First one in question, what is given, that you have to write as it is statement. Women in Jambulgaon village cast their vote in elections. 1080 out of 1200 means 1080 upon 1200. Got it? 1080 of 1200 means 1080 out of 1200 or 1080 upon 1200. Okay, and then you can find the percentage. Percentage of women in Jambulgaon village cast their vote in elections is equal to 1080 upon 1200 into 100. So here 0 0 get cancelled. So it remain 1080 upon 12. Answer is coming 90%. Look at the picture here. I have done 1080 by 12. 12 9s are 108. 108 minus 108 becomes 0, and this 0 you have to bring it down. 12 zeros are 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Okay. So answer is coming 90%. Question what it is getting, that only outright answer, and how much percentage you are getting it. Here you have to find 2 times percentage, and last you have to find in which village did a greater proportion of women cast their votes. Last you have to write answer that. Now 1080 of 1200, finish calculating the percentage. Next we will calculate 1360 out of 1700. That is women in Vadgaon village cast their votes, and then you will find the percentage. Okay. Let us start now. Women in Vadgaon village cast their votes is equal to 1360 upon 1700. You have to write this statement properly. Women in Vadgaon village cast their votes in elections also you can write. Okay. Percentage of women in Vadgaon village cast their votes in elections. Now we will find the percentage. 1360 upon 1700 into 100. So 0 0 get cancelled. So it becomes 1360 upon 17. Okay. Answer is getting 80%. When you divide 1360 by 17, quotient is coming 80. 17 8s are 136. 136 minus 136, 0 is coming. 0 you have to bring it down. 17 zeros are 0. So quotient is coming 80%. And last you have to write percentage of women in Jambulgaon village cast their vote in election is greater in proportion. Vadgaon village is coming 80%, and Jambulgaon village percentage of women cast their vote is coming 90%. So this is the Jambulgaon village percentage of women is greater. Okay. If you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.